Hello guys, welcome to the studio. Today I have a secret for you. Shh. It's my favorite place to shop for craft supplies. Where is it, you ask? It's Harbor Freight. I love going to Harbor Freight. Okay, about. All right, so first off, I have these magnets. I only pulled out 3, but these do come in a set of 4. Okay, these are magnets on the back. And now let me just say before we get started with everything, I do have a metal desk. So everything magnet sticks on my metal desk. So a lot of my supplies I do have housed around on my desk just for convenience. But I also have a metal cart. And like these, I have these hanging all over my metal cart to hang my brushes, my rulers, my brayers, everything you can think of hangs on these. I also have a metal cabinet, and again, these hang on the. I have some that hang on the metal cabinet. If you do not have one of those, or you don't have any magnets, you can buy magnetic sheets that you can actually put up on your wall, and these would be great for that. Okay, because they're not very heavy, so they're perfect for something like a magnetic sheet that you put up on your wall. All right, now let me go back to what I was saying. Okay, so these things right here, I believe I probably got a 4-pack for like, I'm going to say $5. I don't know. I'm going to put it up there on the screen, but I know at Michael's, if you go to Michael's, which is a really big craft store, these are so expensive there. I have no idea why. It's the exact same thing. I mean, yeah, I know they might be a little bit prettier at Michael's, but functionality, they work the exact same. They just hook and you hang something off of them. I mean, how simple is that? It just works. Okay, let me show you a few more, okay? These, another thing that I have all over the place. I love these. They have the magnetic on the back and they're clamps. Um, when I'm drying my papers, these work phenomenal to dry my papers, to hold my papers around the craft studio, anything that needs to dry. I also use these if I have a project sheet, things of that nature, something I've printed out, I need to have it close by. I just put these up on my metal cabinet with my paper. I love the rubber right here. I love this, the grip. They're so easy, even though I have problems sometimes with my hands. These are so easy to open and close. Okay, another tool. I mean, these are cheap too, guys. I have to tell you how cheap everything is. Okay, here's another thing. I on the backs of my tags and pockets and things like that, anything I put a brad, I usually hide the brad with tape. Because whenever it's on a pocket or something, you don't want to snag it. So I use this. I also use this to package up any Happy Meals, things of that nature, and they have a bunch of this stuff really cheap. Okay, it's packaging tape. It's clear. Okay, this also works really good for transfers, book page transfers. You tear a piece, you put it on your book page, you pull it up. Now your book, you just made book page washi tape. Great. Okay, I'm kind of going fast, but I should slow down. Let me take my time. Okay, here's the next one. Sandpaper blocks. I use these whenever I'm making paper napkins, things of that nature, roughing up the edges of the tags and things, anything like that, just to give it a little more dimension. I use these really cheap. Okay. Did find they do carry eyelets, what we call eyelets at Harbor Freight. These are called grommets, okay? And they have a grommet tool, okay? Really cheap, really cheap. You don't have to go buy that expensive dude. Just play around with the one they got because they have a nice grommet setter, what they call a grommet setter. We call it an eyelet setter. Names, same thing, same product, just different name. These ones come with the backing piece. Let me just show you real quick. They come with this piece. You would put this in and then put this one over top. You put your paper, put this one down, and they sandwich between your paper. And this gives you the back of your paper or tag or whatever a nice finish. Oh, and this leads up to the next one. If you spill these, okay, let me show you this handy dandy thing. I love this. Can you guys see this one? This is my magnetic tray. My husband bought this for himself, and I actually went out to the garage and took it back because I love this thing. Okay, so again, my desk is metal, so it really is trying to stick. So this has a magnet on the back. Let me see. Okay, see. Magnet on the back, but it also holds magnetic pieces or metal pieces, not magnetic pieces, metal pieces. So you just toss them in there on your desk, anywhere, you know, you got things hanging around that's a piece of metal. You don't want it to fly everywhere. You just get one of these. You don't have to use the back part, okay? If you don't have a metal desk, no problem. Just sit this on your desk and it still works. I have this one actually attached to my desk. Ugh, it's so heavy. Okay, it's only heavy because that's a very, very strong magnet. It works great. All right, let me put this back away. Time for the next one. Okay, so this next one is these pliers, okay? I have a couple different sets here. You can see these ones get used a lot by me and my husband. I use these ones for my beads and my wire work. And this one actually cuts the wire, and these are what I use for making my dangles and things of that nature. These Harbor Freight has these so cheap. I mean, so cheap. I will try to link this one because it's so expensive at Michael's for the exact same thing. These ones are actually kind of small because I like that for my hand size, but they do have bigger ones. Okay. Another thing that they have is this right here. They have the glue for the glue gun. So they have all this glue, and they have a glue gun. Okay, they have a couple different glue guns. I'm going to show you a picture of one that is on a stand. It's cordless. I have the one that's actually got a cord, but I would really like to invest in the cordless glue gun. And Harbor Freight has one that I'm wanting to pick up, and it's like $20, I think, something around there. And again, it's more expensive at Michael's to get the cordless one. You can find Michael's does have a cheap glue gun. I did look; they do have a cheap one, but it's not cordless. Okay, so another handy dandy thing, let me show you, is the scissors. Okay, I got these scissors about, I'm gonna say 6-7 years ago. They're old, okay? In my opinion, they're old for what they are. Normally, I would have to have replaced scissors by now, but these ones came from Harbor Freight. I don't know if you can hear them. They still make the sharp noise. They are still very sharp. These ones are my fabric scissors. These ones are my everyday scissors. I don't know if you guys can hear it or not, but they are very sharp. They actually make the noise, the sharp noise. I'm trying to get you guys to hear it, but I doubt you could. But anyway, they are so sharp still. I haven't sharpened them. And yes, they are a bit big. I mean, hand grip wise. My opinion is because they're probably made for a man's hand. Okay, but my hand fits. It actually my whole hand fits. So that's nice. And they're good. Look how strong they are. See how they're built? So I have never had a problem with these opening or closing or the sharpness of them. So, and again, I can't even tell you the price difference, but it's huge. Okay, for the exact same thing, guys. All right. Next thing I want to show you is this really long ruler. Okay, it's an aluminum ruler, 40 inches. And I just recently got this, and that's what sparked this video, was because I just got this, and it was so cheap at Harbor Freight. I couldn't believe I could get this length, okay, of one. there. And this was really cheap. Again, I'm going to list the price up above so you can see exactly what it is. Okay, so I got two more items. Now, I did receive these two items as Christmas presents. My husband knows me so well. So I got these two items. Okay, so this next one is a container. Let me take that out. I use it for my wet wipes, okay? But you could use this for anything. You can have a box in here that has your hand towels. You could you could obviously use it for a tissue holder, but I use it for my wet wipes, okay? And they just fit perfectly down in here. And I have this hung on the side of my desk, and you can see how strong these magnets are. They're so strong. And look, you can even mount it on the wall if you wanted to. But yeah, it's connecting to my desk. Ugh. So these magnets are very strong. Hopefully you can see, they just hold right there and they hang on the side of my desk. The next one is very similar, but oh, it's stuck. Okay, I'm gonna get it. It's a paper towel, my paper towel holder. Okay, you can see, let me turn it around so you can see. There you go. You can see that they are 3 magnets on each side. These babies are not going anywhere. I can knock into them and they're not going anywhere. And they're 2 separate pieces like this. They come like this. And then you just put them and mount them where you need them to be. So these are great for your paper towels. But you could use them for you could take after you're done with the paper towel roll, you could wrap anything around your paper towel roll, and these would house that. If you do masterboards or fabric or anything like that. So yeah, that's what I use. Okay, so makes a lot of noise. I'm sorry, it's chunky. Yes, and another thing, let me show you a quick tip. Okay, these are a couple things. Those are all from Harbor Freight. Okay, these next 2 items did not come from Harbor Freight. I'm just going to let you know, but they are just two of my most used items on my desk. Okay, so I'm going to show you them. Let me grab them real quick. Okay, so the first one is this eraser. It's a glue eraser, is what this is. I think I bought this either at the Dollar Tree or Amazon. Either way, it wasn't that much, but I have used this now for going on 2 years. I use this. Most people I've seen use these to erase the glue on a paper to get it off the paper, but I use this for my hands. I'm allergic to the Fabri-Tac. I'm allergic to the glue, so I have to try and get that off as quickly as possible most of the time. Otherwise, it eats my skin. So I use this. Look, see, I have a little bit. I don't know if you can see. I have a little bit right there. And this just takes it right off. It's like, yeah, see, completely off. And I just rub it across my skin. It doesn't hurt me. There's nothing on there to hurt me. It's just a rubber. And I just rub it like that, just like you would on your paper. And it cleans my hands perfectly every time. It also gets it off your nails, okay? But I use this every time I sit down in the craft room. Before I get up, I use this to take it off. And it's normally it's really fast, okay? That one and one more. This is a lifesaver for me. I use this lint brush. I guess that's what they're called, lint rollers. Lint rollers. I use this all over my desk. As you can see, it's really dirty because I use it. So I should have cleaned it before I showed you. I'm sorry. I apologize. It's got all of the debris. I just roll it across my desk like this. I've already cleaned this part, and go like that, and it picks up all of those little tiny paper bits, the fabric bits, the glitter. I mean, it just picks up anything that you've put down on your desk that you normally have trouble wiping up or sweeping up. And it doesn't matter with this, it doesn't matter if it's wet or dry. It just picks it up. Okay. So you can see I have all kinds of debris that was on my desk. It's kind of pretty actually, but So I use these two items all the time. So that's just my little quick little tip here at the end. So I'm glad you guys came by to find out my little secret place that I like to go shopping. And I hope you guys check it out and let me know in the comments if you shop there too. Okay. I bet you others know about this little secret too. All right. Have a good day, guys. Bye.